Hi guys, I'm back again with new song. This time I'm reacting to Diana Ankudinova new song. So guys, those who are watching my video for the first time, then please subscribe this channel India Reaction 2.0 and share this video with your friends and family. And right now I'm gonna reacting to Diana Ankudinova. First I have to say something for you guys, because I got 2 copyright strike on my old channel Indian Reaction. That's why I make new channel for you guys, because you love me, support me, you are my family. That's why I'm here to entertain you guys. So without further ado, let's get the video started. Please support my channel. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Wow, looks the new way, man. Wow.
Где-то там за окном ходит зима.
What?
Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня
Wow, her voice looks, man, it's new thing.
тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Тихо, саваном белым, вьюга, дом мой укроет.
Wow.
Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной.
She's making some changes, man. She make amazing voice. Wow.
Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти.
Look at the background video, man. Thousands of butterflies digitally. Wow.
Где-то там вдалеке никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты.
Oh, judges gonna just praise the bell because of the voice, man. It's terrific, man.
Саваном белым,
Wow.
где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Кружит белая вьюга.
Wow, she make amazing voice. Her vocal range is perfectly pitched. I don't know what to say about the song, man.
Тихо ходит зима. Слышишь, как замерзают снова. Я без тебя.
Wow. What a performance by Diana Ankudinova. So guys, those who are watching my video for the first time, then please subscribe this channel Indian Reaction, comment down below which type of video you want to watch, hit the bell icon for notification. Bye bye, have a great day, and support this new channel Indian Reaction 2.0 and share this video with your friends and family. Bye bye, thank you.